You're watching the Gabe and Garrett channel. Thank you.
Today we're going to open up the new Razor Ground Force Drifter. This thing will go up to 12 miles an hour. It's for ages 8 and up. It's 24 volts with two 12-volt batteries. Okay, then let's open this thing.
That is going to be cool. That's the Ground Force Drifter by Razor.
Hey, look at this.
Okay, so out of the box, it's almost ready to go. We just have to put on the seat, the flag, attach the steering wheel, and this is the battery charger, and charge the battery. And it's just about ready to go.
So here's the instructions. Let's put it together. The first step is to use an Allen wrench to loosen the top of the steering wheel. Put the steering wheel over the column and screw it back on. Then use an Allen wrench to tighten the screw. Tighten the screws around the side of the steering wheel. Here's the screws to support the seats. Next up is putting the flag on.
Razor flag.
Bye-bye.
So it's for 8 and up, and you're age 6, and you can still reach everything you need to reach, right? Cool. Gabriel's 8, it's almost 9. Perfect for a 9-year-old too. Okay, it says we need 12 hours to charge the battery. We'll plug it in and we'll start racing this thing tomorrow. We got 2 of them. Okay, so it just plugs into the wall. And in the back, Racer 1, Racer 2,
Garrett.
Hey Garrett, you won that one pretty easy. Good racing. Do these go faster than Power Wheels?
Yeah.
All right, are they fun? Cool. You look really cool. Put your hand up if you're ready. On your mark. Get set. Go!
Thank you for watching the Gabe and Garrett channel.